gravity, rocking from your toes to your heels, and then be still. And shift right to left. And if you do it with your eyes closed, you'll get a much greater sense of where you are, your connection to the ground, to the floor, to the earth. So be still and look at your posture for a moment. This is the greatest service you can do to your body. Look at your knees, make them springy. Imagine that you can see your pelvis and you're drawing, either lifting your pelvic floor or engaging your deep abdominal. So you've got that security blanket around your pelvis. Drop your ribs. Roll your shoulders up, back and down, and pin the shoulders back with a little bit of tension between your shoulder blades. So your shoulders are open and your heart is open and easy to breathe. Lift your chin, crown to the sky, and set this into your deep memory. Good. Take your arms forward and take one arm up and one arm down to toy soldier. Good. Drop the shoulder so you can see your long neck, and then the other side. So just notice how you do this. Luckily I've got this window behind me so I can see that I'm within the line of the window. So I'm not going wide, I'm directly above my shoulder. Brilliant, well done Anne. Make sure that your fingertips are lining up with your shoulder. And have a look at your long neck. Be mindful of the long neck. Now, if we're not conscious about what we're doing, we tend to push our hips forward as we do this. But you're a Pilates practitioner, so pull in your tummy muscles and keep your hips and pelvis still so that you can focus on your chest and upper back. Hopefully that's feeling a bit warmer. So add in opposite knee lift. Climb up, pause and land. Well done, good work Glynis. And the other side. So you can still do this work sitting in a chair. You just lift the thigh off of the seat as you lift the opposite arm. It's exactly the same thing. And in fact, you're doing a little bit more quad work. Add in the next dimension, the next level. Lift the knee, hold. Open the knee to the side. You're not going to go as far if you're seated in a chair, but that's okay. You've still got that opening. And then, can't do this seated in a chair, but take the leg behind you and take it into a one-legged squat. Then take the knee to the side, take the knee to the front, and land the foot. Do that on the other side. Opposite arm and knee. Open, pause, open the hip. Take the foot behind. Challenge your balance by taking it low. Marvellous. And what I particularly like is the length of your arms. So taking the arm all the way up, opening them so they're in that lovely line, great, and then bending the knee, one-legged squat. Knee to the side, as high as you can, knee to the front, good work, land the foot. And it starts to flow. It starts to go from your conscious thinking into your subconscious, into your body. And you just start to enjoy the breath, the flow and the movement. So give me 2 more of those and really notice what's coming up for you. What thinking process? Where are you going with your thoughts? Can we stay confident? Can we stay compassionate towards ourselves? I'm doing a great job. Because you are. And go under. And one last one, each side. So lift and be tall. Open and be strong. And then take the leg behind and see if you can go deeper this time. Leg to the side. Chest high, arm high, land safe. Finish off on the other side. Tall and strong, open, and then push back. Lift the knee. Climb forward and land the feet. Pump through your feet, warm through your feet. So bring your hands onto your hips. I'm going to turn side on so that you can see what I'm going to do through my legs. I just want you to take one leg, and it'll be the same leg until we change direction, back, and then step it in. Take the foot back and step it in. No pressure on that back foot. So my heel is up and my big toe is just placed on the floor. No pressure. Bring your hands to your heart and really activate your pecs. Press your hands back, palms back. Recognize this? Hands forward, hand back. So what I'm doing here is I'm challenging your chest, opening your shoulders. Your inclination is to look down, but you won't. You look forward. Fantastic. And we're putting a little bit of work through the hip and the leg. Lovely. Let's make it harder. Take the foot into a lunge and stay there. So the back heel is up, the back knee bends 90 degrees in both legs, and all I'm going to move are the hands. Hands forward, hands back. Good. Hands forward, hands back. So this is a deeper, I was going to say darker level. Don't mean that. But what I do mean is you don't have to do the lunge. I know only too well that we all have issues, including myself, in our feet, ankles, knees and hips. So if you're not happy, then you do it. Just do the step back, because now we're going to leave our arms out to the side. I'm trying to turn without being too wobbly. Turn the palms forward. Excellent. Turn the palms back. Perfect. Palms forward, palms back. Lots going on here. Most importantly, chest up, eyes up. Keep going, we've got 5 more. Chest up, eyes up, long spine, tight abdominals, open-hearted, open chest, and the hands, well, they're down about 45 degrees. That's it. Not up and line with our shoulders this morning, but further down. So give me a few pulses here. Take the arms forward and pulse the arms back as you go a little deeper into the leg. How exhilarating is that? Superb. We're going to bring that leg in. Shake it out and take the same leg back. But this time it's going to stay off the floor. And then lift the knee. Stay off the floor. And lift the knee. So we're turning it into a balance challenge, and we're really localizing the work into our glutes. Keep your chest high and add the arms. Knee lift, hands in front. Good. Leg goes back, palms go back. Lovely. Palms together, palms push back. Eye gaze forward, knee lift and back. I appreciate that the supporting foot is doing a lot of work. Stop, shake out at any time and come back for the last 5. Good balance, good control. Knee lift, bum squeeze. 2 more. Hold that leg behind, push the palms away, push forward. Push the palms away, push forward. That's what it looks like. Good. Keeping the leg off the floor. That's the challenge. Fantastic. 5 more. Good work. 4 more. Let's see you shine. 3 more. Good. Bruce Springsteen's watching us, so come on, we've got to perform. And relax. Pump through your feet. Roll through your shoulders. Yeah. Making a big roll. Talk to the muscles physically. Yeah, let's let go. So I'm turning to the other direction, which means I'm swapping legs. So this is my bad side. Just letting you know. Step the foot back, step the foot in. This is the level you can stay at. You step the foot in and step it back. Square off the hips, eye gaze forward. You're feeling strong in the centre of your body. Add in the arms. Hands, press forward. Hands, press forward, press back. That's it. And you are very welcome to stay at this level. It's challenging in its own right. It's a level 1. It's a level I hope we all feel comfortable with doing. And the next level is to stay in the lunge posture. So the leg goes back, the heel is up, and you bend the back knee. You're looking for 90-90. Palms together, palms push back. Hands together, palms push back. Keep your eyes up. See, your eyes have dropped here. Look forward, angel. Look towards the side of the room as you do this. And if your foot, like me, is really hurting, you can put the heel down. I'm going to try and go back. Couple more. And then we'll stay with the hands pushed back. So I'm going to turn to see you. Push your palms forward. Good. Push your palms back. Lift your chest. Palms forward. Palms back. Open-hearted all the time. Forward and back and forward and back and forward. Stay with me. This is the shoulder work. This is the arm work. This is the definition for the arms. Couple more. And we ended with pulses. Do you remember? Palms forward and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that leg in. Shake it out and take the same leg back, but this time the leg stays off the floor. Okay? So you're swinging and you're also retaining upright posture. So tummy in, shoulders back. Hands together, knee lift. Leg back, palms back. Hands together, press. So the inclination to tip forward is strong, but don't. Keep the upper body still. That means you're recruiting your core muscles, abdominals and back. Lift and press back. 5 more. Lift and press back. 4. Keep going. Fabulous. So we're going to leave the legs back and just turn and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and land. Whoa. Check out your feet. Roll through your feet. Roll through your shoulders. Good work, everyone. Last little squat work. We do like the thigh work. Yes, we do. Knees out over toes, chest high. Sink into your legs. Press the hands forward. Sink into your legs. Nice. Hands forward. You're looking for alignment, fingers in line with shoulders, and press together. Press the feet into the floor to get more energy. Press it down. Perfect. Good. Lovely. 3 more. Open up your heart, open up your chest, open up the shoulders. Last one. Let's do some really well-earned stretches after that. So bring your feet in, hip distance, bring your hands to your legs, drop your chin and lower down towards the floor and let the arms hang out. So you should feel that stretch run right the way up your legs, right the way up through your spine, and let your head and arms hang. You might get to the floor, which would be fabulous. You might get to the top of your knees, not a problem. Find what works for you and bend and straighten your legs. And think of this as the first layer of muscle. The hamstrings going across 2 joints, loosen them off, and then bend your knees and climb up to standing. Good. Uncurl your spine. Let me see your shoulder roll. Perfect. Onto your toes to reset. Look up at the sky. And then bring the hands down. Level 2, cross 1 foot over the other. I know, I keep doing this exercise. I'm enjoying it so much, especially after being away this weekend and doing so much walking. I love this because this is the second layer of muscle. This is starting to go a bit deeper into the IT band, a little piriformis stretch, a little sciatic nerve stretch. Hands on the floor, maybe. Hands on the knees, quite possibly. See where you can go with this. I saw a client do this yesterday, and what they did, thanks Andrea, was they moved their hands over to one side. A bit breathtaking, but see how you go. And then they came into the middle and they travelled over to the other side. Oh my word. Deep knee bend and roll up. Good. Unhook, climb up, breathe in. So the first option is just to roll down the straight legs. The second option is to cross the legs, both feet on the floor, and roll down. Hands on top of knees or hands to the floor. And then the more intense option is to walk the hands. That takes my breath away. Over to one side, to the middle, and over to the other side. I'm trying not to grunt, forgive me. Good work. And climb up when you're ready. I think I could have held that for a lot longer. It brings up so much. Up onto your toes, and then the final, deepest level, personal favourite, as you know, is that piriformis stretch, that standing piriformis stretch. So it feels as if you're pushing your bottom back into a chair. You're maintaining your balance, well done, and you're pressing your knee out. Let's add a little bit more sparkle to this. Let your hands lower. Where could they go? Where can you take them? Personal journey, exploration, little bit of discovery. See what's going on for you. And then start to lift the arms all the way up and release the legs. Up onto your toes to reset. Arms to the side, and that third option on the other side. So the knee out to the side, and let the arms go where you can. Just think of this as a voyage of discovery. Knee pushes out. Oh, lovely, just what I need. So climb up very slowly. Let the body uncurl naturally up onto your toes. And then bring the arms down. Perfect. Step to the back of your mat. You've got the length of your mat in front of you. Draw your chin to your chest. Roll down slowly, open up the spine, the legs. Walk forward across your mat so your hands are underneath your shoulders, and come to rest.